Ever catch yourself staring at a cold mug? Wondering why the coffee only lasts 20 minutes before the crash? Same. It's wild how we'll queue for another triple shot instead of paying attention to the free, always-on power plant hanging off our faces. In 4 minutes, I'm going to show you how to flip the switch. No beans, no jitters, just you and your lungs. I'm Alex. 10 years ago, I was the guy double-fisting lattes at 3 p.m. and falling asleep on the train home. These days, I teach busy humans how to wake up without a caffeine IV. The routine I'm about to walk you through is the exact one I sneak in between meetings when my eyelids stage a protest. 4 minutes, 1 chair, 0 excuses. Think of your nervous system like a car. Most of us are riding the brakes all day, tired, foggy, cranky. Fast, rhythmic breathing slams the gas pedal. This floods your system with oxygen, making a special delivery of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and norepinephrine right to your brain's doorstep. The result is a boom of clean energy, alert but chill. Stanford researchers had people do this for 5 minutes, and their energy shot up 40% compared to an espresso shot. No crash, no stained teeth, no weird barista misspelling your name. If you're expecting have blood pressure that reads like a basketball score, or get woozy climbing stairs, skip the speed round or take it gentle. Otherwise, keep the breath smooth. Lightheaded? Pause. Breathe normally for half a minute. You're the driver, not a passenger. Sit tall, feet on the floor, shoulders like they're shrugging off stress. 3 rounds, 30 rapid breaths each, then a short hold. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Like you're fogging a mirror in winter. Belly inflates, flattens. Ready? 30 quick ones. Pace yourself. 1, 2, 3. Feel the ribs stretch. 28, 29, 30. Big inhale. Hold 4 seconds. Slow exhale. Warmth in your chest. That's oxygen doing the cha-cha in your bloodstream. Rest 10 easy breaths. Let the shoulders drop. No rush. Same drill, slightly faster. Think of fanning tiny flames under your ribs. Halfway through, the mind wanders. Bring it back to the whoosh of air. 30. Inhale. Hold 6. Melt the exhale. Heart's humming. Scalp doing jazz hands. Good signs. Rest again. Gentle inhales, lazy exhales. Last set, then an 8-second hold. 30 breaths, sharp, steady, 15, 16, 17. Arms might buzz, totally normal. 30, inhale, suspend, float in the stillness. Let it out like a sigh that's been waiting all day. Breathe naturally for 30 seconds. Notice the difference, mind like a browser with fewer tabs open, body lighter, mood on the upswing. And you didn't have to remortgage your house for a fancy supplement. So what just happened? Think of those 30 breaths as a gust of wind blowing out cobwebs. You flushed your blood with fresh oxygen, cleared out your airways and sent a wake-up call to your adrenal glands, your body's internal battery pack. The hold after each round, that's like training a muscle. It teaches your body to be more efficient with oxygen so every future breath delivers more power. You're essentially improving your body's fuel economy, getting more mileage out of every inhale. It's like upgrading your whole system from dial-up to fiber instantly. Morning coffee still allowed. Just hit this routine right after so the lift lasts. 3 p.m. slump, 4 minutes and you're back. About to lift weights? These rounds prime your system better than any neon-colored pre-workout. Anxious? Slow the breaths down and skip the hold. Tweak it till it feels like yours. I've run this with 50,000 people online, and the DMs are usually some version of, wait, my lungs can do that. Drop a line below. Did the tingles show up? Did the fog lift? I read every comment. Your experience might be exactly what the next reader needs to hear. If that woke you up more than your last cold brew, hit subscribe and ring the bell. I post new 5-minute energy hacks every week. Share this with the co-worker who's always yawning in meetings. They'll owe you a coffee. Want the one-page cheat sheet? Links in the description. You just proved the espresso machine isn't the only thing that can perk you up. Your breath's been hiding in plain sight, ready whenever you are. Next time life feels heavy, remember, relief is 4 minutes and a handful of breaths away. I'm Alex. Breathe well, live bright.